I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind when love's so hard to find.
Alright, yo, what's up guys? It's me, Calvin the Ninja, and as you saw, yes, my video was blocked worldwide. Am I angry about it? Yes. So here I am, making another video. I told you I was going to make it icy, and here you go. Alright, so what you want to go to do, so you're going to want to go into Google, of course, you know, you always go into Google, and you're going to search torrent. What you want to do is you want to download this shit. This shit will get you all the shit that you need. Once you download this shit, you just go to iDope or Pirates Bay. Then you can just download torrents of anything. Let's see. I don't know. Let's just search something. Let's just search recent torrents. And you know, they got video, movies, TV, games, music, anime, apps, books, porn, and other things. So you can just, I don't know why you would download porn, but you know, you can download fucking video games right there. I mean, fuck, I got tons of games from this. Don't tell anybody. I mean, look, you could get Grand Theft Auto 4, Hearts of Iron 4, Counter-Strike, so you can get Counter-Strike Source. Of course, you gotta make sure that the file size is, like, accurate, because there's no way that this is GTA 4. I mean, look at that, it's 15.5 megabytes, fucking bullshit. And that's fine, that's real. Well, nothing's gonna be real. I don't know why Minecraft's here, but it is. Fucking, I don't know. I am much more convinced that a large portion of this is fake and full of viruses, but you've searched through them, you'll eventually find one that's gold. Maybe. I mean, Borderlands 2, no. Maybe, no. Sims, yeah, see, I don't, ooh, see, I could believe this. What I would usually do is then I would just check Steam, but Steam's not open, so I don't give a shit. And you just import the download. You just download it. Are there any ISOs? Whew, there's no ISOs. I'm not going to teach you how to do the ISOs because I barely understand them. They are fucking evil and they're cancer. Alright, well, this should be fine. I could probably download this easily, actually. But I'm not. But I am, just to show how it works. And then it's going to ask you, when you click download, you're going to go open uTorrent web. And then it's going to take you here. No, not software update. It's going to take me here. So now that's added. Don't look at the Stellaris thing. I did that a while ago. And now you can just do this. Now you just wait. Of course, it takes fucking forever. I don't need one of these, so I'm just gonna close that one. Well, would you look at that? 25 bytes per second, 800 and 600. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's because I'm recording. Oh, nope, it's going up though. So yeah, it's gonna take a while to download. Then once you download it, you can just fucking play it. go away recording thing. Like I got this as a torrent, and I just played that, but that was in ISO, and I had to do a bunch of other shit to get it to work. I'm not gonna tell you how to get ISOs to work. You're gonna have to look on the internet to do that. So fuck you. Alright, I hope I helped you. Goodbye, I see.